Hello students. Let us start with the topic programming process. A program is a list of instructions where each statement tells the computer to do a desired task. Well, the program development process involves three basic stages. First, program design. Second, program coding. And third, program testing. The program design is concerned with the development of a strategy to be used in writing the program in order to achieve the solution of a problem. Program coding. The algorithm developed in the previous step, that is, while designing, must be translated into a set of instructions that a computer can understand. And these set of instructions are called as coding. Program testing. Testing and debugging refers to the tasks of detecting and removing errors in a program so that the program produces the desired results. Well, now we've basically identified the three stages of programming process. But remember that before writing a program, it is very essential to have a thorough understanding of the problem and a carefully planned approach to solving the problem. So, we can formally define algorithm as a sequence of instructions designed in such a way that if the instructions are executed in the specified sequence, the desired results will be obtained. Now, another way of expressing algorithms is by graphically representing them in a flowchart. A flowchart is precisely a diagrammatic representation of the steps defined in an algorithm. Flowcharts use special shapes to represent different types of actions or steps involved in the process. The oval shape represents a start or end point of an action or process. The arrow acts as connectors that show the relationship between the represented shapes. A parallelogram represents input or output, and a rectangle represents a process. Now, in the diagram, filling the kettle, heating water, and making tea represents a process. A diamond indicates a decision, like yes or no. Here, the decision that is to be made is, has the water been boiled? These are some of the most commonly used shapes in a flowchart. Algorithms can also be represented as a set of instructions called programs. A program, by definition, is a set of specific instructions that perform tasks when executed by a computer. A computer requires programs to function since they contain instructions with specific activity to be performed. So, as you can see, the codes are displayed and they combine together to form a program. Let's try and learn about these implementation of algorithm in program. That is, programming languages. Therefore, programming languages can be defined as a formal computer language designed to create programs to control. Let's assume that this is the first time you're hearing about the term programming language. What strikes your mind? Well, to the most of the people, the first program would be C, C++, Java, etc. However, Well, if a person wants to talk with someone, he or she would use any language of his or her preference. Similarly, a language is needed to communicate with a computer. This language is called programming language, and the type of choice of language depends on the need of the user. We will study more about these languages in the upcoming videos.